What's up guys, welcome to the shop. Today I'm going to be installing my CBI rear bumper on my Toyota Tundra. There's a lot of tech hidden under the bumper in a modern truck these days, with blind spot monitors, parking sensors, and all that kind of stuff. So this is actually a pretty intensive install. So let's get to work and start peeling back the layers of the stock bumper and get to what's underneath. It's always fun having to cut a piece off of the side of your nice truck. Gonna paint that edge that I just cut to keep it from rusting. I'm gonna get these lights taken out of the old bumper because they will go in the new bumper. Going to install the blind spot monitor sensors into the new bumper. There's a good chance they may need to be calibrated at the dealer later, but hopefully they'll work just fine. I got the parking sensors peeled off of the old bumper. I'm going to clean them up, put on new adhesive tape, and get them installed in the new bumper. I'm about to do something really dumb and try to get this bumper up in place all by myself instead of calling somebody for help. This thing is really heavy. Don't try this at home. There's no way I can do that by myself without something going catastrophically wrong. So I'm gonna go try and find a neighbor. I got all the bolts started, but not tight, so I can still make adjustments where the bumper sits on the truck. But I know it's safe and it's not gonna fall on me when I'm underneath there. Now I'm gonna get all the wires hooked back up to the electronics in there, and then get my gaps at the bottom of the tail lights where I want them before I tighten everything down real tight. Gonna use my floor jack to get the bumper sitting where I want it, make sure everything's nice and even, and get all the mounts tightened down. There is one more little chunk I got to cut out of this back corner piece right here in order to mount the last trim piece on my truck.